Just going to do a video on cloning. You can clone a partition. You can clone an entire disk. Both useful. For this one, I'm going to migrate from the internal disk to a secondary disk that I've got outside. So I'm copying the installation disk inside this laptop to an external hard drive. It's really easy with this tool. That's your source, obviously, because you're migrating. Next, you're selecting your target, which is smaller than the source, and it'll just automatically resize it. So there you go, it's automatically resized it. So it's going from 252 gig to 111. You can alter settings here to suit it how you want. If you want it smaller, you can change the number, allow for allocated space afterwards, set the partition size, not even unallocated space before. It's quite advanced, but I'm going to leave that as it is and just let it shrink itself as it wants to. So I'll just press next, and then you have to click apply. Sometimes it might warn you if your battery's too low. Nope, it's doing it. So that one completed, but I missed it at the end, so well, it only just tells you it's finished. So we'll have a look at clone now. So clone entire disk. Normally a clone is the exact byte by byte, so we'll see. And sometimes with a byte by byte, you cannot go to a lower target. But we'll see. Well, it's letting me choose it. Oh, okay, I thought it was a warning, but it was just warning me about, yeah, it shrank it. So that's good. You can have 4K alignment, which is good for SSDs. So look at the settings. So clone without sizing, fit partitions or edit partitions. We'll have a quick look at the edit. Yeah, that's good. And set to clone. Well, obviously it's going to allow that because we've got two different size disks. So you just press confirm and apply. But we're not going to do that because that's just going to clone an empty one to an empty one. I'm just showing you how to do it. So it was easy. It shrinks it to size and everything for you. So I'll just roll them back and clone partition. So obviously you're just going to select one partition and clone it. So select that one. Next. New volume. Next. And it's just going to clone that partition. Doesn't look like you could do it to an image, so it'd be good to have imaging on here if AOMEI ever want to add it. Well, I've had this for a few years now, this tool, and it just keeps getting better and better and better. So the cloning is brilliant on it.